The prototype of the Ilyushin II-112V transport aircraft crashed during a test flight near Moscow. 3 people were on board the aircraft. Their fate is unknown at this time. Rostec creates an internal commission with the involvement of specialists from aircraft research institutes and manufacturers to investigate the accident of the Il-112V prototype that crashed today during a training flight in Kubinka, Moscow region, Rostec said. Footage of the event shows what appears to be a fire in the right engine of the aircraft before the crash. The Ilyushin Il-112V is a military transport aircraft designed for the transportation of personnel and cargo with a maximum weight of 5 tons. It is intended to replace the Antonov An-26 within the Russian aerospace forces.